So let's talk about potatoes, the number one survival food, if you've learned anything from history. And my little invention that I welded up, the single row potato planter. This machine works as fast as the wife. I call it wife potato power. And she runs about 100 potatoes a minute. Time is precious, so weld it up for the quick attach. So this is a single row potato planter. Nice comfy seat and a smoothie or beer holder, of course, but just an old piece of plumbing I had, and you drop potatoes down there. So I built it to fit the standard trays that we use for all of our stuff. So 4 trays there. Comfy seat. Adjustable height seat too, for if you get the kids to do it. But it makes a really deep furrow there and drops a potato behind. Makes a tiny little hill with those. Can adjust them. I should have used some heavier gauge because it's pushing quite a bit of dirt, but. And 3-point hitch made it quick attach too. So literally to plant, I don't know, what did we do? 200 or 300 pounds of potatoes. It takes about 10 minutes instead of all day. Pretty simple. Works good. Ready, Freddy? Okay. Pretty hard work, eh? 5 minutes to plant potatoes. Yeah. Just gotta prep your soil really nice because it's a lighter duty thing. I didn't make it that heavy duty. And get your rows straight. Works excellent. And built it to fit our standard farm trays that we use for pretty much everything on the farm. So with both hands, just stuffing potatoes as fast as you can grab them. Me being the brains of this particular operation, finally, I get to drive the tractor. It's only 8 minutes of driving the tractor. That's how long it took to plant our entire potato garden that usually takes a half to a whole day doing it with a shovel. The best teaspoon of diesel I've ever used. Just drive right next to the previous row and keep it straight and as slow as it can go. All done, put it away for next season. I've got to modify this bad boy I picked up used, of course, this antique root crop harvester. It's ground driven, so those paddles make the conveyor belt go. It all works, I just have to modify the end as this was used, I think, for to be pulled by horses. So I'm just going to hook it up so I can adjust it with the 3-point hitch, and I can do this for all the root crops. So again, to lift the potatoes out of the ground, I should be able to do it in, I don't know, another 10 minutes. And then you have to pick up the potatoes, put them back in crates, put them in the cooler, and we have potatoes the entire year for about 20 minutes of work and the right equipment.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 3 potato, potato. Like and subscribe.